Hello, and welcome to How to Animate.
To start, you will need a laptop/PC to actually do the work on. You don't need anything too expensive, but don't get that trash PC you found on Amazon for $20. Once you have the laptop, you'll need animation software. This could be Adobe Flash if you feel like a professional, but all you really need is Windows Movie Maker.
For your animation, you'll need a unique character that separates you from everyone else out there. Or you could just be an odd ones out clone. Once you have a character, you need a script. You can't just have a character sitting on the screen. You need to be telling a story, or be doing something.
Once you have a script ready, it's time to actually start the animation. You'll need to record the audio so you have something to animate over. Once this is done, you'll need to start the drawing of the frames so that there's something to see. You should have frames other than your characters to spice it up a bit.
After you have all the frames and audio, you'll need to put them together in the animation software you have. It's a very long process of aligning the speech with the mouth movements. Once you've spent 20 hours fully editing the video, it's time to export it, which may take another hour or so.
Now that you have the video ready, you only have one thing to do: upload it. I suggest uploading it to YouTube because it's a very good and popular social media site. The end.
Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. That's all for today. John, signing off now. See ya.